Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're tackling a common problem that many of us encounter when trying to clone a disk using a dock with dual base. Our viewer here had an 8 TB Seagate drive causing them some trouble, leading them to research a faster way to clone their drive without running into issues when mounting the clone volumes. Let's dive into the solution for this tricky problem. So, the key to resolving this problem lies in a command called hfs.util, which can be found in the directory system library filesystem.fs contents resources. This command will help you manipulate the unique identifier of the clone volume, allowing you to avoid conflicts when trying to mount both volumes simultaneously. To check the current UUID of the volume, you can use the syntax provided by hfs.util, which is system library filesystem.fs contents resources.util k device echo. This will give you a better understanding of the unique code that's causing the issue with mounting both volumes. Now, if you're looking to set a new and unique UUID for the clone volume, you can use the syntax system library filesystem.fs contents resources.util s device. By executing this command, you'll be able to change the unique identifier, allowing you to access and compare files on both clone volumes without any hiccups. In summary, by utilizing the hfs.util command found in the directory mentioned earlier, you can efficiently manage the unique identifiers of your clone volumes, ensuring a seamless experience when working with them. I hope this solution helps you overcome the challenges you've been facing with cloning your drives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech dilemmas you'd like us to cover. Happy cloning!